Okay, probability deals with say how many chances of getting something from a number of something. Let's take we're given a dice. A dice have six sides, and each side have its dots number. So sometimes you can be asked you can be asked how many chances to get in a 1 or a 2 or a 3 or even numbers. So you have to know if they say how many chances of getting a 1. So 1 is a number, it's a number 1, and then there's only one there. So they say how many chances of getting 1. You just write the total side, how many as 6, and then how many ones here? There are 1, so just say 1. Then say how many chances of getting 2. So how many 2's here? There's only 1 2. So you say 1 over 6. How many chances to get any number? Just 1. So you can be asked how many number to get a even number. The even number it's 2, 4, 6. Because it ended 6, there are 3. 1, 2, 3. So you say how many numbers, how many sides are here? The total number is 6, and then how many are they? There are 3 even numbers on this dice. So even a coin, they can ask of tossing a coin, how many number of getting a head when you toss a coin. A coin has 2 sides. It has 2 sides. It has a head and a tail. So you can be asked how many chances of getting a head, how many chances of getting a tail. Those are the questions for probabilities. So there are 2, so it's only 1 1 1. So it depends on the number of the way they toss it, once or twice, and then there's a cut. You have to know that a cut has 52 numbers, and each one of them, it has head, tail, spade, it has club, hearts, diamond. So you have to know how many diamonds in the cut, how many hearts. So if you know how many they are, so you just write how many the number of hearts and how many the total of everything. And then there's let's take, they are giving you a box. They're telling you that there are balls inside. Maybe they say there are 12 green and 6 white, and so it's 12 green, and then they say it's 6 white, and they say another one, they say 2 orange. They are all in a box, in one box. So you have to know how to deal with their probability. So if they say the total of them here, they are 20, and then they ask you how many chances of getting a green ball, how many there are 12. Just write the 12, and then you simplify it. 12 for it's how many fours here? There are 3 fours, and then here there are 5 fours. So it's how you simplify it. And then they say how many chances of getting white? Say it's 6/20. You always write the total underneath. So this is simplifying this would be 3. Formation, okay, it's 10 here. So for orange, you just write the number of oranges and then they're in one place. So this is how you deal with the probability. You have to know the total number of, or the sides, total number of the side, the total number of the ball, the cards, and then you count the one that they need. How many are they? And then you divide by the total number per. Let's check it. Example, the exercise. Find the probability of getting an odd when throwing a feather. Odd number. Odd numbers are like 1, 3, 5. Because the dice have total number of 6. So how many are they, the odd numbers? You only have 1, 2, 3 odd numbers. So when tossing a coin, you'll have how many odd? 3. Odd number is a number that is not divisible by 2. It can be divided, but it will give you a remainder. So you know that there are 3 odd, and then how many sides of a dice? The dice have 6 sides, right? So you write 6 and then simplify this one. You have what? 3 goes how many times 1, and 3 goes how many times 2. Then you have a 2. This is how you deal with some of the problem. You have to know the total number and the number you've been asked.